This is Miss Lim here with another video. I want to wish you guys a happy new year, and I also want to explain some things to you. Idea series that I talked to you guys about in the last video, I wanted to explain more in this one. It's basically where you guys challenge me to do anything from singing to jumping into the pool from the roof. It could be something crazy as long as it doesn't hurt anyone, meaning people I work with, innocent bystanders, or leave your challenges in the comment section below. If you guys like, I could also come up with another series called Storytime. This is where I would tell you guys stories that happened in my life or stories that happened in my friends' lives. If you guys are interested, I might also start vlogging my everyday life. The Swimfell series that you guys liked so much will most likely resume this upcoming summer, so stay tuned for that. Come to me on my daughter's wedding and asking me for what?